3 minutes is all it takes to set up a Kick stream with OBS. Start by downloading OBS and run the installer, and now we run the auto config. If you can't see that, click Profile, click New, and name it something like Kick. Tick Show Auto Configuration Wizard and press OK. We will optimize for streaming. We'll set it to 1920 by 1080, 60 FPS, and we'll change the service to custom. We will prefer hardware encoding. We'll untick estimate bitrate and we'll type in 6000. We'll then head to our Kick dashboard, which is linked in the description. We'll copy the URL into the box first, and then second, we'll copy the stream key into the box beneath that. Now we'll press next, and these are good settings, so we'll just apply the settings. Now we name our scene. We click on Scene Collection, Rename, and I'll call this one Kick Scenes. I'll press OK, and I'm going to name the scene in the bottom left, right click, rename, and I'm going to call this one Gameplay. Now we need gameplay camera, microphone, speakers, so press the plus button underneath sources. We'll start by adding display capture, which is our gameplay. Choose the one you want, and then press OK. If you need to resize it, drag the corners to resize. Let's next add our camera. This is called a video capture device. Press OK and find the correct camera from the list. I'm going to quickly change some of my defaults so that it's on 1920 by 1080 and so the FPS is on the max. Now firstly, I'm going to shrink my camera by dragging the corners, but I'm also going to crop by holding Alt and dragging the squares so it's just showing my green screen part. Next up, let's add our microphone. That is called the audio input capture, so you just pick this from the list. Mine's the Quadcast. And then let's repeat a similar process to add our speakers, and my speakers is the Cloud 2 wireless. And one more step on OBS. Next to your microphone, click the three dots, click on filters, add a filter, click on noise suppression, and this is just going to reduce any fan, AC noise, etc. Now you're ready to go live on Kick. Just hit start streaming in OBS to start your stream. You can change your stream settings and view your chat from the dashboard, which is linked in the description. After subscribing, watch this video here to add alerts to your stream.